properties of chemical reaction is change in color. Some chemical reactions are characterized by a change in color. For example, when citric acid reacts with potassium permanganate, citric acid plus potassium permanganate solution, then the purple color of potassium permanganate solution is disappear. This shows that in chemical reaction color is changed. We can perform the reaction between citric acid and potassium permanganate solution as follows. Number 1, take some dilute potassium permanganate solution. Dilute potassium permanganate solution in a test tube. Test tube. The color of potassium permanganate is purple color. Number 2, add lemon juice, means citric acid, lemon juice to dilute potassium permanganate. Dropwise with the help of a dropper and shake the test tube well. Number 3, the purple color of the potassium permanganate solution, becomes colorless. It means when the citric acid react with dilute KMnO4, the purple color of the potassium permanganate disappear means colorless. This reaction are characterized by a change in color. Let us take another example of a chemical reaction in which a change in color take place. The chemical reaction between sulfur dioxide gas, means SO2, plus acidified potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7, potassium dicarbonate solution, then the color of the potassium dichromate change from orange to green. The color of the potassium before the reaction is orange, and after the reaction of the color of the orange, it change into green color. These both reaction show that in a chemical reaction color is changed. Property number 4 of a chemical reaction is change in temperature. Some chemical reactions are characterized by change into temperature. This is the 4 properties of chemical reaction. The fourth properties of chemical reaction is change in temperature. For example, when quicklime reacts with water, then silk lime is formed and a lot of heat energy is produced. Heat energy is produced means heat energy after the reaction or during the reaction the energy is comes out liberates out. These types of reaction in which heat energy is produced during the reaction, these types of reaction is known as exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means heat comes out. Called this is called exothermic reaction also. Second example of change in temperature in a chemical reaction is the chemical reaction between the barium hydroxide and the ammonium chloride to form barium chloride, ammonia and water. In this reaction, temperature fall means temperature decrease. A lot of heat energy is absorbed during this chemical reaction, due to which the temperature of reaction mixture falls and the bottom of test tube becomes very cold. The chemical reaction between barium hydroxide and the ammonium chloride to form barium chloride, ammonia and water is characterized by a change in temperature, and this types of reaction is called endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction means heat absorbing, heat taking, heat absorbing reaction. Now, fifth property of chemical reaction is change in a state. Change in a state. A state means solid, liquid and gas. A state means solid, liquid and gas. Some chemical reactions are characterized by a change in a state. For example, when wax is burned, then water and carbon dioxide gas are formed. Wax is solid, water is liquid. Water is liquid. Whereas carbon dioxide is gas. This means that during the combustion reaction of wax, during the combustion of the wax, the physical state of wax from solid it change into liquid and gas. Thus, the combustion reaction of candle wax is characterized by a change in a state from solid to liquid and gas. There are some chemical reactions which can show more than one characteristics. Evolution of gas, change in temperature, change in a state, change in color, all or more than one property shows in a one chemical reaction. In previous example, the chemical reaction between the zincs, you remember, chemical reaction between the zinc granules and the dilute sulfuric acid or HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4 acid shows two properties, shows two characteristics of chemical reaction: evolution of gas H2 and change in temperature also. Change in temperature also. So reaction of the zinc granules and dilute H2SO4 show two property: evolution of gas and change in temperature. So similarly, a lot of examples of these types of reaction, many examples of reaction in which more than one properties, more than one characteristics show. Till now in this chapter we learn about the chemical reaction. Number one, chemical reaction, reactant, product and cause of chemical reaction. Second, we learn the important properties of chemical reaction. Properties of chemical reaction. In properties of chemical reaction, we learn 5 properties. Number 1, evolution of gas. Number 2, formation of precipitate. And number 3 is change in color. And number 4 is change in temperature. And number 5 is change in a state. There are 5 most important properties of a chemical reaction. With example we discuss about it. Thank you.